Hold on to your paintbrushes. Is that the Caspian Monster? Yes, all the way from China, made by master modeler Simpson, has flown into the Dazzle, compete and maybe add a new few kits to his collection at Mosan Show. Alongside him, participants from almost 50 countries are arriving, spanning continents from Africa to Scandinavia, east to west, to celebrate our colorful and, let's be honest, slightly obsessive world of scale modeling. Almost 1,000 participants joined us last year, and this year it could be you among the many enthusiasts showing the world what scale modeling is all about. Back in 2016, when Mosan Show was held in West Hungarian University, the stand was packed, a cozy 1,500 models shared the stage. Since moving to the UFM arena in 2017, Mosan Show has soared to feature 3,000 models. Every April, our small Hungarian city transforms into the bustling heart of European scale modeling, as enthusiasts from around the world come to showcase their creativity and connect over this unique art form. Pulling off an event of this magnitude isn't easy. But thanks to the tireless volunteers from Hungarian clubs, the Mosan Show is not just an event, it's an experience. From masterclasses to trading areas, military demonstrations and club tables, these dedicated folks make sure every aspect runs smoothly, so attendees leave with awesome memories and maybe a few new tools in their modeling toolkit. Mosan Show takes over the training hall with a stunning 100+ traders and manufacturers ready to meet your modeling needs. Need airbrushes, paintbrushes, cutters, or the elusive perfect knife? You'll find them all here. And don't forget the hundreds of kits from brands around the world. The first floor of UFM Arena also features club tables, where you can connect with other enthusiasts and exchange tips and tricks. Want to level up your skills? Head to the ground floor for masterclasses, led by the most talented modelers in the field. Whether it's learning the latest techniques or perfecting classical approaches, you'll walk away with some serious skills and maybe even the confidence to tackle that impossible model waiting on your shelf. Of course, Mosan Show isn't just about models and tools, it's about the people. Catch up with old friends, make new ones, share a beer or two, and swap stories. Many friendships forged here last for decades, proving that a little glue and some plastic can bring people together in a magical way. Need a break? There are plenty of food options where you can kick back with friends and recharge. Plus, there are workshops for kids, where they can build their first model. Who knows, they might catch the modeling bug early and become the next modeling legends. From jaw-dropping dioramas and figures to planes, tanks, sci-fi creations, motorbikes and cars, the Mosan Show has it all. You'll find over 80 categories separated by model type and skill level. And no matter if this is a hobby or master nomination, contest participants are ready to show off their best work. Each year, Mosan Show features a unique theme, and for 2025 it is sci-fi movies and TV series. Compete in one of 4 special categories: vehicles, figures, dioramas for adults, and special category just for young modelers. It's time to unleash your inner intergalactic engineer and craft the model of the future. As the show wraps up, don't miss the award ceremony where medals and cups are handed out to the most impressive entries. Bring your best, the judges aren't stingy with medals, and you might walk away with a trophy or two. So, pack your kids, book that hotel, and get ready for a weekend in Moson like no others. This is your chance to experience big-time competition and small-time hospitality, an unforgettable combo you'll want to be part of.